We are going to learn how to wrap and unwrap the text. Here I am typing the student name and the name extended to second cell also. How do you keep this entire name in one cell? Wrap text option allows you to place the text on multiple lines within single cell. Select the cell and click on mouse right button. Click on Format Cells option from appeared menu. Format Cells dialog box appeared. Go to Alignment tab and then tick the option Wrap Text. See the selected cell's text wrapped in multiple lines in a single cell. How do you unwrap the text? Do the same procedure again and remove the tick mark. That's it. This is the alternate way to wrap or unwrap the text. You can find the wrap text command in alignment group of Home tab. Using this command on menu bar, also you can perform the wrap text option. Selected cells text already wrapped. Because of that wrap text command highlighted, you click on the same to unwrap. See, the selected text becomes unwrapped. It means spread to next cell also. To wrap the text, click on the wrap text command. The default alignment in Excel is, if the text is alphabets, it takes left alignment. If the text is numeric, it takes right alignment. In case you want to align text as per your requirement, you must know how to do alignment. There are different ways to do alignment. Now let us see few of them. Select the cell, click on mouse right button, choose Format Cells command from the appeared menu. Then Format Cells dialog box appeared. Go to Alignment tab. Click on Horizontal drop down box. Here I am choosing horizontal alignment as center and click on OK button. See, the selected text has been aligned center horizontally. Now let us see another way to align the text. Select the cell and click on Center Alignment command in the main toolbar. Like this, you can do required alignment. This is a right alignment. This is center alignment for the selected text. Here I am selecting two cells for applying alignment effect. This is the center alignment for both the cells. This is the left alignment for both the selected cells. Again, this is center alignment. Like this, you can apply the alignment effect for a single cell or a group of cells.